MyOPD allows you to capture payments, outstanding payments as well as additional payments done by a client. You have to enter your charges and visit charges. The visit total charges include visit charges and any procedure charges entered in this visit. So if you also did a root canal and charged 1,500, that would be added to your visit charges as well. Previous balance shows you any amount the patient owes you in addition to current visit charges. Net payable amount is the total amount the patient is supposed to pay you. You can always accept this payment in full or part from the patient. If the patient has the entire amount, you can click Save directly. If patient does not have the entire amount, you can accept part payment. To accept part payment, click the Accept Part Payment checkbox. Then click Save. Enter the details in the next screen to capture the part of the amount the patient would like to pay. The remaining amount will be outstanding amount of the patient. Now, this visit is saved. No further modifications are allowed to this visit unless you view this visit as a past visit.